do it yourself. So no Spanish bulk, no added Spanish bulk, just braids. Hello everyone and welcome to my natural hair universe. My name is Paris Kemamo. To my new viewers and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. To my new viewers, welcome to the click. So I hope you guys are doing fine, because I'm doing fine myself, and I'm so excited about this hairstyle because this is a hairstyle that I've never done before. Though it's a box braid, it's I want to do box braids, and then at the end I do something like a spiral or wavy kind of thing. I don't know what they are called, but you'll see what I'm going to do with it. I'm so sure you've seen people with that hairstyle. I guess it's just it's a common, or maybe it's a recent hairstyle that people are having. I want the box braid to be big, so I'll be parting my hair in big sections. I hope it's going to work, because normally when I try to do that, it doesn't work because my hair is way too thick, and sometimes they look funny when my hair is that thick, you know, like I have partitioned like big box braids, and then I'm using maybe a smaller piece of braids. So I decided to buy wax. I've seen hairdressers using wax before, so I thought maybe I should give it a try so that I can see whether my hair is going to be held down enough so that it can be neat. So I'll be using wax. I'll be using I might be using gel, but I don't know the Eco Styler gel. I'll be using the leave-in conditioner. I'll be using some water, and I'll be using maybe some coconut oil. Okay. Normally, sometimes I do my hair when my hair is a little bit straight, but for this time, I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm just going to do my hair when it's natural. So for this, I did some twist like 4 or 5 days ago, and then these are the twist outs. I think they're still nice, like they can go somewhere like that, but I need to do my hair, so that's what I'll be doing. I have like 7 packs of hair. I have like 7 packs. I have this one from Angels, 7 packs. They're dark purple. One goes for 65 shillings, so 7 of them. I don't know how much I'm going to use. I don't know whether I'm going to make my hair longer, but with time, as I proceed, I'm going to see whether I'm going to do that. So let me just get into it and start partitioning my hair, sectioning my hair, partitioning anyway. So let me just get into it and start doing my hair and detangle it before I braid it. Also, I'll be using some rubber bands to secure my hair at the bottom. Yeah. I'm basically done sectioning my hair. You can see how neat they are. And now I'll start braiding it. all for today. Let me just give you a close up of the curls. They're amazing. The way they're like waves. So it's up to you to use it's up to you whether you want your hair down or your hair like this. That is up to you. So as for me, I'm contented with this hairstyle, and I think I'll do more of this. I just feel like it's amazing. I feel like it's one of the most amazing hairstyles there is at the moment. So I hope you guys are going to try that. Do it yourself, DIY, do it yourself. So no Spanish bulk, no added Spanish bulk, just braids. So you can add as much accessories as you want, or you can just decide not to have any. That is a personal decision. So guys, I hope you enjoyed every bit of this video, because I enjoyed making this video, and I think I'm happy with the results that I got. And it took me, I don't remember, I can't tell you exactly how long it took, but the bigger part was when I was sectioning my hair, because I have quite thick hair, so sometimes sectioning it is quite some work, and also my hair wasn't straight, like I had not straightened it, it was just like that. So thank you so much, see you soon.